bang, these knives. I'm Jared. My lovely wife Kara is busy right now, and I'm going to show you the easiest way to use a Balisong, something anybody can do. Okay, I'm going to show you just a couple moves, but this is the most common one. Okay, it's locked. Let's get it unblurry. You pop it undone. Okay, the non-lock side is always going to be your safe side. Your safe side is the one where you swing it. It's going to give you the non-sharp edge when you flip it. So after you pop it open, let it swing out. Okay, right here for this one, we're going to let it go right to our fingers like that. So flip it up. You see how it's on my fingers? Just like that. So yeah, flip up, let it hit your fingers. Now I'm going to let it go down. So I'm going to give it a little bit of a spin. And it's going to come back over. Remember, I'm on the unsharp side. And it's going to flip back. Now fast, it looks like this. So I pop it open, just like that. That's fast. So it goes open, slide down, over, like that. And then when you get good at it, you can do it in different flows the same way, like without it letting it touch your fingers, like that. And it's really fast. And you can get to your knife really quick. Now, anybody can do that. Flip up. Let it go out over your fingers. Let it spin a little bit. Back over your fingers. Back open. Now, you can reverse that really easily by, say, going open. Okay, so I'm just going open. Now, I'm not going across my fingers. I'm more going across my palm. And now I'm going to let it roll this way, back this way, and open. And that's a little different than the first one. So we're going to go open across the palm, swing it this way, and back out. Across the palm, or across your hand, roll this way. I'm going to go really slow with it this time. Across the palm, let it spin, and I'm going to let it fold over that way. And then back open, really quickly. Now, quickly, it'll look like this. All right, now another one that's really easy is you let it go open like that, let it go around. Here, let me get a little bit farther away. Go open like that, let it go, it's gonna go around like this, and then you pop it open, okay? The way it looks fast is, I don't think that was in the camera, hang on. Nah, it's still not in the camera. Here, let me raise you guys up just a tiny bit. So it's going to go around and over. Round and over. It's hard doing it in front of the camera. It's like that. And because you're doing like a lot of this, where you spin it like that, and you get a lot of better momentum when you're trying to do it quick. So, but even just doing it slow, practicing this one like really slow, it's pretty easy. Some of them you need a little bit of momentum. And now, like with this one, another one you can do, it's the same one, but you're doing it instead of flipping it back like that, you're basically just spinning like this. So you're just twisting like this. So I'm going to go open, I'm going to twist. Bam. Really simple. Twist. Bam. And when you do it quick, it's a lot easier. Open, open. All right, now let's do one more. Where you open it, and instead of going the way we have been going like this, we're gonna go the opposite way now. So we're gonna go out and around this way and back around. So it goes out, out. One more time, out. And then we're going to swing this way and around back like that. Okay, let's start. This way, and then back around and around. Sorry. That way, and then flip back, around, and that way. So it's going to go wham, wham, just like that. You're going to go out, and then come back towards you and around like that. That way, that way, that way. That way, that way. I'm trying to show the simplest things because to have a Balisong, you don't have to know 1,000 moves. You don't have to be one of the guys that just sit there and do all these Balisong tricks. All you need to do is learn how to open it up efficiently. These are great knives. They're great for self-defense or even just EDC. This is a nice, good blade shape. Usually they're nice and thin. They usually have reasonable grinds. This one's the Benchmade Morpho 51. And it's really, really smooth. But you want to be able to open it up really quickly, and you don't have to do tricks or nothing like that. Like a lot of people do that one where they literally just let it swing and they flip it up like that, and that's fine. I mean, as long as you can open it up every time efficiently. I find that the easiest one is the one I showed you first, when you swing it open, then back like that. That's the easiest one, and it still looks cool, but it's really quick, really efficient. You never have to worry about hurting your fingers. You never have to worry about getting cut. It's nice and fast. And the reason why you don't have to worry about getting cut is because you're always on the not so sharp side, or the not sharp side. And if you're going to practice higher stuff than that, I recommend you make sure your blade's not sharp. This one's actually pretty sharp, and if I went crazy, it's really sharp. If I went crazy with this one, I would definitely get cut. Let's check the edge. Oh yeah, she's real sharp. Anyways, but yeah, so those are some really easy ones for you guys. Okay, one thing that these things are really good for EDC, because these things are awesome for EDC, is that the blades are usually nice and long, so you can get to material away from your hand. You do want to watch out for these, so if it does go all the way in, it doesn't hit that. You know, you can just easily pull back out a little bit and just keep going, but you can rapidly cut stuff up with these because of how long the blade shape is. And they usually have a really nice fine tip for doing that. You can bear down like this or like this, but they work really good for breaking stuff down, especially if you got a nice edge. But you know, like I said, you only have to know one or two good tricks to be efficient with these. And you can remember, any of these tricks, even these really easy ones like this, you can always put together in a way to where you can just use them together. Basically, you can always put these tricks together to where you're doing multiple tricks in one. You're basically putting 2 or 3 easy tricks into one trick, if you know you want to do that, or just learn how to open it efficiently, and it doesn't matter, right? And you can technically just keep doing that same one over and over, and it looks really cool. But just knowing one good trick how to get that thing open and use it, that's all you need to know. Okay, this one is a little tricky too, but I'm going to show it to you guys. If you hold it like this, most Balisongs, if you hold like this and you flip up, you push up and you push down, it's going to open up and you're going to be able to catch at least one of the handles. Do it again. You want the clip on this side, and it almost always gives me the non-sharp side, as long as I use this side, or the clip, so the locking side on that side. It's just a little trick. I probably don't recommend this. I'm trying to do it in the camera, but sometimes you can even catch it open like that. See what's happening is I'm flipping it up, pushing it down with this thumb. It's coming open and giving me this handle. So I'm kind of giving it, it's just right down the middle. I was gonna say I kind of nudge it to the side, but I don't. I just go right to the middle. The more you're in the middle, I think the more it gives you the handle you want. Anyways, I thought it was pretty cool. I was going to show you guys a couple Balisong tricks. And most of them are pretty easy. That last one I know is a little bit difficult. But remember, the other ones, they're very simple. Anybody can do them. And it makes it to where more people can enjoy Balisongs. Because like I said, you don't have to know 1,000 tricks. All you got to know is one good one.